Have you ever been doing a vacuum cleaner repair, or any repair for that matter, and you just wish that your screwdriver was magnetic? Well, as always, I'm here to help, and today I'm going to show you how to magnetise your screwdriver just by using a fridge magnet. Now, it's really handy on repairs like I've got in today with this Dyson, and I need to get the screw down into the trigger, but I can't hold it with my fingers. So firstly, you'll see my screwdriver is not magnetic. All you need now is a fridge magnet, so go and grab one. These are perfect for this size screwdriver. If you're working on a bigger tool, you're going to need a stronger magnet, something like an old speaker or something like that. But the theory is still the same. You need to rub the magnet in one direction down the shaft of the screwdriver. Do this about half a dozen times, each time turning the screwdriver slightly. Then, hey presto, it becomes magnetic. Now I can simply put the screw on the screwdriver, lower it into my Dyson, tighten it up, job done. Go away and give it a try. It should make your repairs much more easier. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more help videos. This next one is a video that YouTube has chosen especially for you.